Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the feedback required error on Instagram. This typically occurs when Instagram detects unusual activity from your account. Let's go through the steps to resolve the issue. The first step is to force close Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom, then swipe Instagram away. Once you force close the app, reopen Instagram and try performing the same action to see if the issue is resolved. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. On Android, clearing the cache can help fix many app-related issues. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps again, select Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the App Store. After clearing the cache or reinstalling the app, log back into your account and check if the feedback required error is resolved. If clearing the cache didn't work, try switching your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause this error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or connecting to a different network. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Another quick fix is to log out of your Instagram account and log back in. Go to your profile, then settings, scroll down to log out, and then log back in with your credentials. If these steps didn't work, wait a few hours. Instagram might temporarily limit your account if it detects rapid actions like mass following or liking. Wait a few hours or even a day may resolve the error automatically. And finally, report the problem to Instagram. If nothing else works, report the issue to Instagram. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the feedback required error on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.